Why buy just a video game from Atari or Intellivision? Invest in the wonder computer of the 1980s for under $300. The Commodore VIC-20. Unlike games, it has a real computer keyboard. With the Commodore VIC-20, the whole family can learn computing at home. Plays great games, too. Under $300, the wonder computer of the 1980s, the Commodore VIC-20.
Coming soon, Commodore brings you Gorf, the Wonder arcade game, and Omega Race in home versions.
Say goodbye to typing mistakes, misspelled words, wasted time and paper. Say hello to VideoWriter, the first word processor for the home that helps you write better. It erases mistakes on screen before they appear on paper. Do or undo. When you're proud of it, print it. VideoWriter by Magnavox.
Today we celebrate the first glorious anniversary of the information purification directives. We have created, for the first time in all history, a garden of pure ideology, where each worker may bloom, secure from the pests of a contradictory thoughts. Our purification of thoughts is more powerful a weapon than any fleet or army on earth. We are one people. With one will, one resolve, one cause. Our enemies shall talk themselves to death, and we will bury them with their own confusion. We shall prevail.
On January 24th, Apple Computer will introduce Macintosh. And you'll see why 1984 won't be like 1984.
Something's coming up the plumbing for Luigi's in a bind. Giant turtles out to get him, creepy crabs are right behind. Spider flies, cheaper giants, they're all coming out the pipes.
Mario, where are you?
It's Atari Mario Brothers with Mario from Donkey Kong, his brother Luigi, and lots of crazy creatures. And it's twice the fun when two play at once, because you need all the help you can get.
Mario, where are you?
Mario Brothers, new from Atari.
To the Microsoft MS-DOS 5 upgrade training. This is the first time MS-DOS has been available as an upgrade. It's new. We're introducing something new. It's essential for all, the many and the few.
It's in your store, from Microsoft, that's who.
The MS-DOS 5 upgrade is a hit, and no PC should be without it.
No PC should be without it.
There are 3 key benefits to the MS-DOS 5 upgrade. Okay, girls, shrink it down. It's late at night, you're feeling right, working at your PC. Yo, your face turns green because the word on the screen is you're out of memory.
Oh no!
Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
Upgrade to MS-DOS 5. Make DOS applications come alive.
3 more memory, can't you see? Spring those K's that got to be free.
Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
Soothes any memory hogging beast, cause it frees 45K of memory at least. And that's why everyone who's in knows it's also the best DOS to run with Windows. Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
You think DOS is a mystery, admit it. MS-DOS 5 is easier. Here's how we did it. We gave it a graphical shell. That's the ticket. It's DOS with a prettier face. Yo, kick it.
Looking good, like it should,
To copy files from drive to drive, just drag and drop. Gimme 5. Wondering what command to use? Select from our drop-down menus.
The graphical shell. Do tell, the mystery's gone. Go on.
Plus online help, task swapper, editor, and lots of features to help you do more. One command helps you take the heat when you really mess up. Undelete.
The MS-DOS 5 upgrade is slick. Even from the network, installs real quick.
Loads over any DOS on anyone's PC, but now you may be wondering how safe can it be?
I'd ask that, yeah, so would I. I'd want to know more before I buy.
Microsoft said, hear this rhyme. We'll test the upgrade. Big time.
Hit it!
Ran the biggest beta test in PC history. Hammered at it, yo, it ended most triumphantly.
No PC should be without it. No PC should be without it.
These MS-DOS 5 upgrade tales begin and end with mega sales. Here's the future, it's no dream. Customers in a steady stream. DOS has 60 million users waiting. Time for them all to be upgrading.
Everybody DOS now. Everybody DOS now.
MS-DOS 5 sounds easy when you tell it. The only thing easier is when you sell it. It's gonna be a cash machine for you. Upgrading is the natural thing to do. Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
Gimme 5.
Alone or as an add-on, this product is a hit. No PC should be without it. MS-DOS 5 upgrade. Take that image further. It's like selling fries with every burger.
MS-DOS 5 upgrade with that. MS-DOS 5 upgrade with that.
No PC should be without it.
No PC should be without